Adding and subtracting decimals. Do you remember ordering numbers? So we're going to take these numbers and put them on the number line and decide if they are greater than, less than, or equal to. So we have 9/10 and 0.71. So 0.71 is going to be 7 tick marks. And right past the 7th tick mark is 0.71. So is 9/10 greater than or less than 0.71? Remember, numbers to the right on the positive number line are larger. So 9/10 is greater than 0.71. So here we have 0.15, so that's going to be halfway in between 0.1 and 0.2. And 1/4. So 1/4, that means I need to split this whole thing into fourths. So here's half, and half of half is right there, and half of the top half is right there, or 0.25. So 1/4 is going to be right there. So 0.15 is less than 1/4 because it's closer to 0. So we have 3/4, what means I've already split the top one, so I can just look at that. 3/4, 1, 2, 3. And then 0.67, that's going to be 6 tick marks, and then almost to 0.7. So 3/4 is greater than 0.67. So we have 1/5. We're going to need to split this into fifths. So I have 5 sections there. So 1/5 would be at the first section. And then 0.2. That is also at the first section. So those are equal. So with adding and subtracting fractions, we need to line up the decimal points. So I have 3 numbers here. So I'm just going to line up 3 decimal points and then fill the numbers in. So I have 15.85, 3.2, and 7.03. Now to the right, I can add zeros, so I can just add down the line. So I have 2608. Now I just bring my decimal point straight down. 26.08. Calculate the difference. So this is the same thing. I need to line up the decimal points, so I'm just going to put 2 decimal points. Once again, so I can fill in till we get to the same place value, I can fill in a 0, and then I subtract. And then bring the decimal point straight down. Chris completed a 100-meter breaststroke swimming race in 95.542 seconds. Michael completed the 100-meter breaststroke swimming race in 95.6 seconds. How much faster was Chris's time than Michael's? So this indicates that we need to subtract the times. So I need to put in the zeros, so we end up at the same place value. and then subtract. Bring the decimal place down to the same place, and it's 3.158 seconds. All right, you try it. Make sure you put your answers into the computer.